How to buy Waffle coins Solana. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can buy Waffle coins Solana. So let's dive in. So first you have to open your Phantom wallet over here. That's the Solana wallet. And once you open it, you'll see an interface like this, and on this interface you'll see a few options over here. Now you have to choose the swap option, not the buy option. Just choose the swap option over here and make sure you have enough Solanas in your account so you can exchange them for Waffles, and that's how you're gonna buy Waffle coins using Solana. So just click this option over here, the USDC one, and it's going to pop up with the search bar that says you receive. Now here you have to type in Waffles, and then you can just buy the Waffles over here. Like, you can just swap them for the Solana option. Click this option over here, and if you want to see if this is an authentic coin or not, you can just click it again over here, and then you can just search for it over here again, and then you can click this icon over here, the information icon, and you can see if it's authentic or not and read through the terms and conditions. Now you have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to pay, and then you have to just enter any amount, and then you can just type in over here the amount in this box, and then you'll see you will receive this much Waffle coins for this much Solana. And I have insufficient funds, so I'm not able to pay for it, but once you have enough Solanas in your account, you'll be able to pay it by clicking over here. So that's how you pay, by using Solana to buy Waffle coins. Thanks for watching.